Hello, my name's Anthony Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV. Today we're here in the fantastic Valle Golf Resort to check out their new fitness trail. The fitness trail consists of 4 different apparatus. We have the dip bars, the pull-up bars, the monkey bars and the sit-up benches. I'm going to show you 3 different exercises at each of the stations, starting from easy, medium and then a little bit more difficult. First, we're going to start with the dip bars. Exercise number 1 is the row. We're going to grab the bars, putting your thumb and your knuckles over the bar. You're going to put your feet out in front of you. The further you put your feet out, the more difficult it is. We're going to go about here, go to full arm extension, pull up, hold for a second, and then back down. Pull up, then back down, pull up, then back down. Exercise number 2, I'm going to split into 2 parts. The first part, we're going to grab the bar, but we need to make sure that we externally rotate so we're in a safe position. Our shoulders are in a really nice position. So what I want you to feel is like you're bending the bars like this, and your elbow crease is pointing forward. So we grab the bars, externally rotate, and you're just going to lift your knees up. As you can see, I'm shaking, which means I'm really weak. Lift our knees up, back down. Lift our knees up, back down. Now, if you've got the knee raises, we can make it a little bit more difficult. What we're going to do, the same thing, we get in a safe position, and we're just going to lift our knees up, and then straighten our legs. Back in, back down. And we're going to do that 3 or 4 times. Nice position, knees up, legs straight, knees in, back down. Now what we're going to do is move on to exercise number 3. Most of you will know this exercise. It's what the parallel bars were designed for. It's the normal dip. What we're going to do, again, we need to get into a safe position. So we externally rotate our shoulders, we take the weight, we dip down to parallel, and then back up. Dip down to parallel, and then back up. Okay, now I've given you 3 fantastic exercises to do at the dip bars. Now, it's up to you which ones you can do, and it's up to your ability which ones you can do. I would suggest that you come to this station and you do what your body is capable of doing. If you can do all 3, why not do 10 reps of each exercise with a minute rest in between for 5 rounds? If you can just do the rows, for example, why not do 5 rows, rest for 30 seconds, another 5 rows, rest for 30 seconds, another 5 rows. The possibilities are endless with a station like this, and it's up to you what you do.